This is the one big thing missing in the AI world, that you need to understand what makes a good data set. How do you verify that a data set is good? Because it's the only way to make sure that AIs make the right decisions.
When you train AI systems, you have the problem that it makes mistakes, just like humans do. If you want to ensure that these mistakes don't happen and negatively impact your product, then you need to change the data that you're training the machine with. And this is what we focus on. We repair these data sets to bring them to an optimal level of quality so that the AI learns what it needs to learn and the outcome is a better performing product. We take a data set, we ask multiple people about each sample in order to gain insights into whether these people can identify any mistakes. And the tricky question is, how many people do we need to ask in order to determine if we can be confident with the answers?
For me, a breakthrough moment there was that I understood you have to repeat the annotation. You have to ask a question multiple times in order to understand whether you have an uncertainty in this data.
The user could be presented with a set of images and then ask questions about these images. So you can imagine something like a decision tree where, for instance, the first set of users is asked, do you see a pedestrian here, yes or no? And then depending on the answer, next question could be how much of this pedestrian is occluded. In the end, we can route these complex annotation tasks through this tree-like structure, and each node in the tree corresponds to one type of question we are asking a specific set of users.
We want to avoid using AI in our systems. So we always ask humans, and we ask humans repeatedly, we ask them many different questions, and the main challenge in this whole setup is that if you ask many humans very often, it's very expensive. We will be able to make AIs better and better over time, so we can make fast and good decisions consistently, and I think that's essentially what Quality Match stands for and what we really want to achieve here.